Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Aggressive shag effect in CapCut apps. So you can tap on your project, select your videos or just photo select edit. For example, I'm going to open the project that I created. So there is a photo here and I'm just going to add effect, select video effect. So you can select the nightclub and select a shark effect. Just download and add the track, and you can change for the speed and intensity, and 100, and the speed select to it. And quickly it's going to take time. So this is the Aggressive effect and CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.